Hi, welcome to Belle South Junior Chefs. My name is Braylon.
And my name is Elsie. Today we're going to make grape salad.
The ingredients are grapes, whipped cream,
and brown sugar and sour cream.
First, we will mix the brown sugar and sour cream.
And then we'll mix the brown sugar and the sour cream in the whipped cream. And we'll mix it up. And then we'll put this into the grapes. And then we'll mix it up. Now it's time to dish it up and try it. Yummo.
That was yummy.
Pretty good. It tastes like the whipping cream.
Thank you for watching this episode of Belle South Junior Chefs.
I hope you like this recipe.